Welcome back, my dear students. I am very glad to meet to you. I am Kamlesh Haldar, lecturer in English, Sheikh Hilaluddin College, Subodhia Fokirat, Bagrat. I think you are well by the grace of our Almighty Creator. I am also fine. Today, our class is about the use of articles. The use of articles. You know, in English grammar, they and they are the articles. Basically, they are adjectives in part of space. But there is a difference between adjective and article. Adjectives have their degrees, such as positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. But on the other hand, the articles A, and B, they don't have. Again, these A and B are divided into two parts. They are definite article and indefinite article. B is definite article and A and N are indefinite articles. These articles are used generally before a noun, and before our discussion we will look back to English alphabet. As you know, in any language there is an alphabet or more than one alphabets. So, English has an alphabet from A to Z and it has 26 letters. Among the letters, 5 letters are vowel and another 26 letters are consonant. Vowels are A, E, I, O and U, and the rest of the letters, that is 29 letters, are consonant. And there is a difference between vowel and consonant. These 5 vowels have the ability to be pronounced by their own. If we pronounce A, it doesn't need any help from other letters. This is why A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are vowel sounds, and another 26 letters are consonant sounds. Now, we will go to our use of articles. Today, we will discuss about only indefinite articles, that is A and L, and where those articles are used. Rule number 1, follow. Noun word begins with consonant. Rule number 1, if any noun begins with a consonant, simply A will be put before that noun, such as a book, a cat, a dog, a building, a college, a country. It is here the examples of Rule number A. Noun begins with consonant. And number B. Noun word begins with vowel. If any noun begins with vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, simply an is used before that noun. As for example, an apple, an ant, an umbrella, an orange, and etc. These are the two simple rules of using A and N. A and N. Rule number C. Noun word begins with unpronounced A's. If any noun begins with A's and this A's is unpronounced, then N will be used before that noun. As for example, an hour, an honest man, an honors student, etc. Here the word is or you are. We never pronounce it as hour. It will be hour. And this word, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. No, it will be honest. And for this pronunciation, honest, N will be used before honest. And hour, N will be used before hour. Next, the word used with vowel or vowels, there is a difference. What is the difference? If any word begins with a single vowel or more than one vowels, and if the word is pronounced you, as you, pronounced as you, then though the word begins with vowels, A will be put before that word. As for example, a European. Here E and U are two vowels, but it is pronounced as U. U, staged U. When staged U is pronounced, then A will be put before that word. Such as a university, student, a unique game, a U, not an U, an university student, an European. And rule number E. We know the words, all the words, those are begin or those begin with O. Everywhere N will be used. But if the word begins with on, then A will be used before that word. Like an orange, an open field, an opera party, and so on. An orange, an open field, an opera party. All those words are begin with O, but if the word is begin with on, O-N, on man, on taka note. Here A will be put before these words. A one-eyed man. On a one-eyed man. If there is O, but also there is on. This is why A will be used before these words. A one-eyed man, a one-taka note, etc. Finally, abbreviation of words. As we know, many abbreviations of the word as who, UNICEF, UNDP, MBBS, BSc, BA, BCom, FCPS, FRCS. Those are the abbreviation of real word. As if the abbreviation pronounced as vowel sounds, then N will be used before that abbreviation. And if the abbreviation is pronounced as vowel sound, then A will be used before that abbreviation. Look at the examples. An MA, and MBBS, and FCPS, and MCom. Let us see the examples of use of an. These abbreviation MA is pronounced as M, vowel sound, begins with vowel sound, and that is why an will be used before MA. Likely, an will be used before MCom, and will be used before MBBS and FCPS. But a BSc, a BCom, here in these two words, A will be used as the abbreviation is pronounced as consonant sounds. B, BCom, BA, BSc, those are the consonant sounds. That is why A will be put before these words. If we follow those 6 rules, you will be able to use indefinite article A and N. Generally, we should remember in mind that these A and N are used before single countable noun. Single countable noun. A and N are used before single countable noun. Understand? If you follow those 6 rules, you will be able to use indefinite articles correctly, and I think you have enjoyed the class, and perhaps this is my last class before the Holy Eid-ul-Zuha. After Eid-ul-Zuha, we will meet again. I hope and wish you joyful Eid-ul-Zuha. Thank you very much.